How to fix a sparking microwave oven. Have you ever opened your microwave only to see sparks flying around? It can be alarming, but don't worry. Let's tackle this issue together. Sparking in a microwave oven usually happens due to metal or damaged parts inside. First, check for any metal objects inside the microwave. This includes obvious items like forks or aluminum foil, but also hidden metal such as metallic trims on plates or containers. Remove any metal items and only use microwave-safe dishes to prevent sparks. Next, let's take a look at the Waveguide cover. This small panel inside the microwave directs energy from the magnetron, which generates microwaves to cook your food. If this cover is dirty with food particles or grease, it can cause sparking because the magnetron burns the stuck food fragments. Make sure the microwave is unplugged before cleaning. Use a damp cloth and mild detergent to wipe it down. If the cover is cracked or damaged, it needs to be replaced. A damaged Waveguide cover cannot be repaired and may cause continued sparking. Another common cause of sparking is a faulty diode inside the microwave. The diode helps power the magnetron. If it is worn out or broken, it can lead to sparks and even a burning smell. Diagnosing and replacing a diode usually requires technical skills and safety precautions. It is best to have a professional technician handle this. Keeping the microwave interior clean is also important. Food and grease buildup can carbonize over time, creating conductive spots that spark when microwaves hit them. Regularly wipe spills and cover food while heating to prevent this. If your microwave is sparking and not heating properly, and you have ruled out metal objects and cleanliness, it might be time to consider professional repair or replacement. This is especially true if internal components like the Waveguide or diode are damaged. To fix a sparking microwave, remember these steps. Remove all metal objects and use only microwave-safe containers. Clean the Waveguide cover and replace it if damaged. Keep the microwave interior clean to avoid conductive buildup. Have a professional check and replace faulty internal parts like the diode if needed. Approaching this quirky household puzzle with careful inspection and simple cleaning can often solve the sparking issue and keep your microwave safely humming along.